Hey, it's another great day today. You know why? My favorite car, GT350. If you watch my Brenspeed TV videos, you know I have a huge appreciation for these cars right here. And of course, Whipple Supercharger. So if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. Let's get to it. Hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Here's what we have today. It's another 19 GT350. Here's what's weird. 2 weeks ago, I released a video like this. Exact same color car, exact paint to match Supercharger. The other one was striped delete. So I was like, yeah, pretty interesting. Hey, at the end of this video, I'm gonna put a link to my other GT350 videos. I probably have about 20 Whipple Supercharged videos that you can watch. We don't have time to put every Whipple Supercharger video up online. When we build a car, you know, I kind of got to pick and choose what we're going to do. Just turned out today I had some time, and it's the same color car. But here's what we have going. I have Doug with me. We're going to take a look at the engine compartment. But it's a 19 GT350 pump gas. Doug, follow me over here. It's the Stage 1 Whipple kit. Now here, this has stock exhaust manifolds, stock cats, everything, all right? The last one you watched, it had some free-flowing exhaust. Of course, we did oil pump gears. We did cooling mods. You might wonder how much this costs to get installed. It's simple. Email quote at brenspeed.com. And don't forget, as I'm talking about this stuff and you watch these dyno videos, which I think I'm going to make 2 or 3 pulls in a row in this car. I'm not sure yet. But when you watch these videos, you don't maybe understand what you're seeing. In the description, I'm going to put links of all the parts we're talking about right now. But there it is. It's the GT350 with the Whipple, one of my favorite cars. I love it. Let's watch these dyno videos. Before we look at the dyno numbers, let's find out exactly what you get in the Whipple Stage 1 kit. Follow me. Here we have it. Now, this is our Brenspeed paint to match. You might be looking at this, you're like, man, it's the exact same color of the car. It's because it is. So our Brenspeed paint to match, we use the paint coat off the car and we match the Supercharger to match the paint exactly. Now, Whipple has some options as well. You can get some standard colors. You can do that, or you can just get black. But if you're investing in something like this, I prefer to match it to the car. Hey, but that's up to you. The Stage 1 kit comes with a 132mm throttle body by default. So if you have a GT and you see the Stage 1 kit, that retains a stock throttle body. But on the 350, you're gonna get the 132. Of course, you get the air induction system, larger fuel injectors, it's intercooled. It's a really sweet setup. And of course, always do the supporting mods. You wanna do all the cooling mods. I love billet oil pump gears. But let's look at the numbers. I made 3 pulls. I brought up a graph of like the middle pull. So it's not the highest, not the lowest. But here's what we had today. 720 raw horsepower, 7,800 RPM. Torque came in at 522 and 5,800 on our Dyno Jet rated SAE. So those are really good numbers on basically a 50 state kit, I call it. A kit that you buy, that you load the calibration on, and it's off, 93 octane pump gas. So if you have any questions, of course, as always, leave a comment. I think this is an awesome car. You can email quote at brenspeed.com. Hey, what's my GT350 cost to get installed? Or your GT or your truck or whatever you have, doesn't matter. And then of course, shop online at www.brenspeed.com. But one more look at the car right here. It's a really, really sweet ride. I love 350s. I can't get enough of them. Every time one of these comes in, I love driving them. I love putting Whipples on these cars. and I try to put out as many videos as possible, but we can't make a video on every Whipple we do. But hey, there's a lot, so don't forget, just click on that link at the end of this video. You're gonna see a lot of GT350s being built here at Brenspeed. Thanks for watching.